Good morning, everyone. What's up? Got my camera back, right? Because yesterday was a different. Last few days have been like a different camera, so I finally put up my DSLR back. Morning. Yeah, a bunch of people were like hating on me yesterday because I didn't get sleep. Okay, so now I have the camera back on. Anyway, forgot. I want to get some water. Yeah, we're gonna put up the charts. Also, shout out to the people that were saying I looked fat yesterday because I was wearing a hoodie. Shout out to you. I'm literally a skinny legend. Now you actually see from an actual position, okay? But I don't really care. All right, I'm gonna get my water. Like, Tanya's feeling chaotic today. How chaotic is she gonna be? Don't know. Don't fucking know. CPI, that's my favorite day. So, what is wrong with her? The internet has made me gone crazy. Okay. Can't poke the bear and expect the claws not to come out. Put my electrolytes in. Okay. CPI, we shot straight up. Left some 1 hour fair value gaps. So, still buy side from ES from like we didn't hit that yesterday, right? Okay. Oh, 1 hour fair value gap. Buy side here that we hit when NQ did it and like and ES didn't hit it. We're still looking bullish. Yesterday's high here. This is my quant. Where are my glasses? Oh, thanks. Right here. I put them on. Guys, I'm like kind of feeling chaotic today. I'm not gonna lie. I'm feeling kind of chaotic. Like, okay, if someone's gonna say, "Oh, she only has like an audience because of simps," then I might as well look good anyway. No, who gives a fuck? I don't give a fuck. Also, thanks for like calling me pretty. Like that's literally what you're doing. You're just like, "Oh no, she's young and hot." Okay, that's the fucking insult I get. All right, bro. They're crazy. They're fucking crazy. Everyone's fucking crazy. But that's why we're all here, right? Because like traders are insane anyway. So like to be in this game, you got to be a little crazy. Like how else are you gonna stay in the game long enough? Sell side was hit there. Daily FEGs. I'm bullish. I'm bullish. We're going like back all the way up. Hopefully we come back into here. I'm not even gonna read what the chat's saying right now because I'm crazy saying crazy shit. Chat's saying crazy shit back for sure. You gotta concentrate, people. We have open in 10 minutes. I put my glasses on. All right, let's see the YM. We have like no news at 10 or anything, so you know, could just be set up right at the open. So today's stream is probably gonna be more entertaining. We'll see. Mm. No one likes a mad woman. What a shame she went mad. No one likes a mad woman. Made her like that. Freaking look for the dip at the open, close your eyes and buy it, and then that's it. No? That's my bias. There we go. I'm not even gonna put the poll up. Everyone's mostly bullish all the time in this chat. So like yesterday was bearish, you guys were right. I doubt today people are bearish. I'll put the poll up for you. I'll do it for you. Start a poll. I see my assistant is like very busy today because he's deleting probably some perverted messages. Moderators you guys got work today. Oh god. Okay. All right. Polls up. Vote. Let's see. Let's see. No one likes a mad woman. Okay. Bro, NQ is so strong. Holy. Mackerel. Mackerel's a fish. Is that like what people mean when they say holy mackerel? I know a lot of like fish and how they look like because I used to play a lot of Animal Crossing during like the winters, especially during COVID. So I know what the bugs look like and the fish. And then when I went to this, to the museum of in DC, I don't know what it is. It's like the Natural History Museum in DC. The one in New York is way better, but well, actually, I like the one in DC too. But I knew all those animals were anyway. Especially like the old like sea creatures too, because you're fishing in the deep. Mm-hmm. What are people? Yeah, 50-50 for bullish, bearish. Bullish 51, bearish 35%, neutral 14%. Castillo deserves a pay raise. He literally is getting one, so he literally did. Castillo, you happy with your pay raise? He's like the freaking richest motherfucker in his village in the Philippines. He's like making American money. He's making guac. He's gonna move to New York. What am I even talking? I'm just laughing at myself when I barely talk like that. So, the New Yorker's coming out today. He's got a Starlink, bro. I bought him a Starlink. He said, yeah. But the last name like Castillo. Yeah, the last name means castle, though, in Spanish. Hablo español? Sí. Me gusta dinero mucho. Ay, qué fabuloso. All right. So we have open literally 2 minutes. We're like opening up all the way there already on the hourly. Like we're already up here. So the hell? What kind of like pullback can I expect? I bet it's just gonna rip more, and I'll just have to wait until the next hourly at like 10. I don't know. Just close your eyes. Bye. I'm just joking. That's not financial advice. I'm just making a joke. Okay. Let's see here. Let's see. Yo, you know what? Last night, guess who I had dinner with last night? ICT, that's so funny. Did he? Yo, that's fucked up. Trump, Michael, no. It's a girl. Guys, well, you'll get it. Yeah, you already got it, Tori. Yeah, because she just moved to New York. Tori. Yeah, she actually suggested it that we do a live stream together. I was like, yeah, oh yeah, we could do that for sure. Break the internet a bit again. You know a certain person would be so pissed off which is fine. He gets triggered for everything. I don't give a fuck. Since when am I responsible for someone else's feelings? Never. Here's the open. I mean, we're getting a tiny dip here. Let's freaking see. Oh, mark out 10 a.m. also. Did you go through all of ICT's playlist in the learning process? No. The fuck? How am I gonna go through all of that? It'll take like 10 years. All of it? You don't need all of it. Especially once you find a model. He literally said to stop. Listen, are you gonna learn how to play basketball by watching basketball videos? And then keep watching more basketball videos? Or are you gonna try to like make some shots? Up to you. Some people just want to keep watching. Literally, the only thing we did was dip into the this 15-minute fair value gap and extreme premium. Wow. And I mean, like, you could call that I would call this a mitigation block at that point. It's so far from the low there. That's what ICT has talked about. So they had that mitigation block and 15-minute FEG on ES. And then what though? Like, is there really anything to on the one then? You have like a volume imbalance there. Same kind of thing, NQ didn't even come down into that 15-minute. So I'll have this marked out, NQ previous day high. Okay. NQ just hit previous day high. Yo. Okay, Sambal Vatsa literally like donated like what 40 rupees or something and said, "What ICT model do you use, Taylor?" What the fuck, bro? donated like 50 cents and then to call me the wrong name. The fuck, bro? I'm not even gonna fucking answer. You said the wrong name. I'm just, what the fuck? You said autocorrect? I deadass never seen autocorrect put my name to Taylor. Anyway, I'll answer you because I'll be nice anyway. I'm tired of being a nice person. Low key, it exhausts you. If you're the bigger person all the time, oof. That's not even this. This is obviously not related to this, but it's tiring, bro. Anyway, silver bullet. All right. Thanks, Czar, $7. Thanks, DJI Skylens for. I guess that's South African dollars, right? Thanks. Anyway, Taylor. Taylor trades. Taylor Swift. Silver bullet, pretty much. Guys. What do you guys do? 54% bullish. I know, but we already started off so bullish. Like CPI just like up. Since CPI, how many points did we go up? I mean, like probably like 100, right? Or more since here. 200? 180 points, 176 points, okay. We didn't even dip into anything, just going up. I'll be fine with like waiting for setup. There's ain't nothing here right now. Okay, thanks, Gumball. Let me like lower the volume on this. It's crazy. Yeah, thanks. Okay. He said, didn't mean disrespect, that was autocorrect. Alright, I'll believe you. Most of the times I look for the good in people, you guys. But without being naive about it. I'm telling you, it's very, very hard if like to stay like to not turn cynical. But if you see the good in people, then that's actually going to influence them most of the time to just be better, to like be better versions of themselves. If you're expecting the worst in people, you're already like starting out bad. You're already like not even giving them a chance. But then if you give someone a chance a few times, then it's like, you know. Lost cause. How much? You guys are just fucking trolling by giving money, but like, how much is that? 14 ZAR, 79 cents. I was right, of South African Rand. Yeah, I'm gonna turn off donations because I deadass don't even need donations. I'm gonna figure it out. It's deadass a distraction for me to fucking read something. I'm turning off the sound at least. I'll turn off the sound. I'm not gonna see it right away. What's the point of me reading something that's for 50 cents and then I can like miss out on an entry of like fucking like $10,000, you know? Anyway, we pushed up a bit. On the 15-minute, we're on ES. We're just like in the middle of the range. I mean, middle of the first 15-minute candle. Same thing on NQ. We hit previous day high there. Tapped back in the first presented fair value gap of the day. We did find a strong reaction there. It wicked the midpoint of that first FEG of the day on NQ. And it's looking quite strong, so I wouldn't be surprised with making new highs of day there. Like a 10-point scale from where I talked about that. Cool. Yep, right there, new high of day NQ. So first presented fair value gap, nice buy there, new high of day. I think we're just like I said on NQ, we're just gonna go back to all-time highs. I mean, how much do we have left until we hit that? 86, 90 points. ES has that buy side up here. It's just a matter of finding something to frame the trade. Much prefer us come back into this hourly FEG down here, but you're so strong. We have all this gaps also. Didn't even come back into this 15-minute FEG, and ES did. We hit previous day high. Let's see if it like holds up this midpoint of this order block. Is it? Bodies? Not really. Kind of sloppier. Yeah. Alright, I'm just gonna wait. I'd rather us have run some low, you know? If I don't get it, then just wait until some small pool liquidity is ran. You know? Yo, look at my guns. Take us to the gun show. Tanya, ma'am, can you please share what you see while entering to any trade? You must be new here. The fuck? I do that every day. No, I'm not gonna say anything. Like, what I do, I send secret signals. If I, like, if I say, like, booyah, that means long. If I say, nice try, Diddy, that means short. Okay? That's sarcasm in case the freaking CME is watching. They do watch. Yo, that guy's just looking for signals, bro. It's always the same people. 950 macro. There. But I kind of see with ES there, it's create an order block. Yeah, very, very strong there. Push up, another strong push up. There's ain't no stop in this market today. It's a momentum trade for sure. Okay. The first 15 minutes of the day, super strong. Next 2 minutes literally popped up above. That much. Okay. I mean, hey, I said in the morning. I said at the open, close your eyes and buy. I should have just followed that. I should have followed my own advice. My joke. Okay. Well, you didn't really have any run to the downside, any kind of manipulation. It's just straight up mooning. Okay, buy side on ES was tapped there from here. Obviously, I'm still bullish after this, but it might like provide like a speed bumper, small retracement. Or maybe it'll just plow through it. Whatever, we'll see. NQ. Some nice little pop up there. 73 points in like 5 minutes. I'm gonna have to use like projections, standard deviation projections. A fun fact, I never plugged in, like this TV came with this apartment. Never turned it on. Don't even know how to do that. I mean, why would I use the TV in my office anyway? Unless I want to put something like in the back, like tiny trades or time and price. Yes, tag that buy side. A little bit of that retracement there, so we might just get a tiny retracement. I mean, barely any retracement, but that's showing just how strong we are. Macro time, someone said. Yeah. It's 9:50 macro right now. Ooh, I want to look at YM too. Oh, that's so funny. YM's just been going lower. Yeah, from yesterday's like close, we had a 160-point gap up. We filled in like 15 to 20 points of that gap up. And then, straight up. See on ES. $23, 3 points to downside and then straight up. Cool. Yes, like still fighting that speed bump there. Can't help myself. I love you and nobody else. Sugar pie, honey bunch. We're gonna hit all-time highs, you guys, by 10:10? Yeah, I think so. Let's see. Can't help myself. Like trying anything to look for some kind of setup, like from my like type of model, but hey, maybe after this retracement we find a long. The only way I'd go short, yes, is if it like had a 5-minute market structure shift. So I'm not even close to thinking about that yet. Especially we have all-time highs here. Can't help myself. Love you and nobody else. It'd be nice for you to just retrace into a 5-minute FEG. Seriously. Run these lows a little. At least run this low. Can't help myself. The Dow just dropping. I think it's about to hit London low. Like, here's a 10 a.m. New hourly candle's about to be opening here. Yes, gonna plow through this. Let's see. Inversion there. New hive day on Q. Gonna run that low. Look at that reaction at the new hive day. Struggling, so maybe it will run this low finally. Not in anything yet. I'm like looking for some freaking manipulation for longs, you know what I'm saying? If I don't get it, then there's plenty of other. I'm sure something will happen. Where I get some kind of entry. Or it's not the end of the world. Do sugar pie, honey bunch. You know that I love you. Can't help myself. Love you and nobody else. Well, like, at least run this low. He has struggled. It didn't break above that buy side. Or any kind of new hive day, any kind of, Oh, this is a 15-second. Wow. On NQ. So 1 minute on ES. Know that I love you. Can't help myself. See something. Okay, I turn on my humidifier. You know, it's so foggy in New York now. Could not see any building on the skyline. Nothing. Not even like the bottom half. Can't help myself. I love you and okay. Why I'm dead hit. London lows. Interesting. Okay. You know what? ES. Where are my further targets? Let me take a look at that. Can't help myself. Sugar pie, honey pie. Alright, that's nice. Yeah, all-time highs, really. Look how that lines up. This hourly candle on NQ, right? The first 5 minutes has passed by. So we're finally having the lower half of the candle being created. Honey bunch. All-time highs hit on NQ just now. New all-time high made. ES bursting through that buy side. See if it creates like a displacement through the buy side. Looks like it is. But I think that's like the hourly candles, the next hourly candle is also going to be strong. We're going towards all-time highs. How many like did we move through ES already? How many points? 45. That's totally possible. So I'm in longs on ES. I mean, NQ is just ripping, and ES, she's gonna catch up. That's my thought process there. We're creating an order block here anyway. Yeah. That'd be a crazy trade. Wouldn't that be a crazy trade? I think you gotta at least get to here. Which is what, 98? I can't help myself. Love you and nobody else. Okay. I mean, yeah, that's worth it. Where's the 2R on that, by the way? I don't really see that being like a. I don't see this as being a. How would you say? Roadblock. It is 0.5 standard deviation, but I'll just mark that out in case it does start looking weird. But I doubt it. So I'm not gonna like just put a sell limit there, for example. I love you, can't help myself. Sheesh. Good judgment for me to buy there. Like I said, it was bursting through this, and I just was like looking at the 30-second. That was it. Just bought it there. There's no stopping this. It's crazy. Can't help myself. I mean, I'd like this candle to also have, to be strong so that there's an FEG here. So then, like, my stop would feel better. So we broke above it with a displacement. Love you and nobody else. It's like, look at NQ on standard deviation wise. Yeah, I mean, it has a lot more to go. It's gonna go to like 2. I would, yeah, at least hold until this hits 1. Pretty much has been ripping since I entered, so that's cool. Up 5 points on ES. 5 handles. 5 handles handled. Let me see. Stat map. That's the one thing I'm sort of worried about is that distribution just is right there. Okay, the distribution for the 4 hours dead ass up here. Yeah, I'm gonna stay in the trade. About an NQ. Okay. The daily distribution's up here. Wait, this is 4 hour, right? This is 4 hour, okay. They might have to call my eye doctor or find one. Okay, where's the daily one? Probably way past it anyway. Coming back into the 5-minute FEG, yes. That broke through that previous hourly. Should have a good reaction here for it to continue bullishness. Just tapped into it a little bit here. So let's see, shall we? Can't help myself. Let's see, what was I doing on NQ just now, you guys? Don't remember. Oh man, what was I doing? I was looking at the stat map. Yeah, that's what I want to look at. Bro, am I blind? That's the daily one? Okay, and then what about the... Yo, 2 degrees. Make this font bigger. I'm like so fucking blind. Okay. What about the 4 hour? 4 hours up there. Okay. Yeah, I mean, if I think I'm bullish, right? I bought it near the open of the hourly. If you retrace down into here, then whatever. Then I'll wait on the 5, wait for something else. But honestly, it's been just so bullish, so I might as well try it. The 4 hour extended up to there. Came back a little bit. I honestly didn't think that we'd have a speed bump, so we'll see how this 5 minute goes here. Should hang around in the top half of this. We'll see how the wick ends. Like break even now. It came back to break even, which is fine. Can't help myself. Yeah, we're just so strong that I don't see a reason for me to go short. I don't see a reason for me to just cut the trade for no reason, just because it came back to break even. Really plowed through this area. So I don't think we'd come back again down here. We'd do then whatever. Find something else. NQ, where are the all-time highs here? Okay. Back, it's like holding the previous all-time high level. That looks good, actually. NQ broke above all-time highs, also for FEG. I think that if someone thinks this hourly candle is going to end green, and that the low is already made in the first 5 minutes of the 10 a.m. candle, then, you know, that's a bullish scenario. But if this inverts, then I just wait. But anyway, I don't see a reason to go bearish or to think we're going to consolidate. Yeah, that first 5 minute candle ended up fine. See this next one. Is it going to be scary? Hovering around my break even. Yeah, I wouldn't want it to stay down here for like 5 minutes, for example. Like I would want this to be a wick. Let's see. If this inverts, then that's like a potential reversal. Let's see. Can't help myself. Let's dig into that order block. Let's see how this candle closes. Wicking. I'm honestly not nervous. Well, probably am because I just sang. It's a little uncomfortable. Gotta hold it though. Let's see, 2 minutes of wicking it. Still at break even-ish. So I don't want it to be here for like another 3 minutes, for example. Let's see. If it runs away from here, it would be great. Oh, it's looking good. Let's see. Is this going to create like an inversion on the 1 to the upside or not? Isn't it weird how like the wick's looking a little different there? Let's see here. Make sure my stop's correct. Yeah. Yep. All right, let's see how this goes. So I'd like this to now pop up above this. Wicking it. So let's see if now this next candle. Can't help myself, love you and nobody else. NQ is looking quite weak. Well, we'll see if that ends up being an SMT. I'm still holding those on ES. 2, 3 minutes of wicking though. So the next one, if it doesn't go up higher, I might maybe. We'll see how this 5-minute closes actually. Close below CE. It's not doing what I think it's gonna do. We'll see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Might drop. Might drop. We'll see. I'm still gonna hold this though. Like 2 more minutes. I think it looks fine. That looks fine. NQ, wake up. NQ did not invert this 5-minute, by the way. So actually, doesn't even look like it could be a potential reversal. I'm holding this. They're so bullish. There's no way that this like pullback's gonna make me worried. Even if it is a loss, I'll be happy. If I cut it here and then it just starts running up higher, I'm gonna be more pissed. It's just weird that it's just stopping here though, because we've been so quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What was I? Was it on the 30-second before? Yeah, maybe. What happened here? This. There, I fixed it so you can see it better. Accumulation. Accumulation, both sides. Kind of like a trapped order flow situation. I still think we're bullish though. Another scary ass wick. Stop me out, I dare you, bro. I dare you. NQ dropping a little bit. NQ below the 10 a.m. open. No, the 10 a.m. low is here. Same thing ES, I have my stop below the 10 a.m. low. Now let's push and see some inversions here to the upside. The NQ. NQ didn't even run this low or anything, but like I said, it's a 10 a.m. low. If you think that we're bullish, and you think that that low is already established, I think this inversion will be fine. Especially back over all-time high, so let's see if it can do that. Oh, ES is not doing that. Last line in the sand is pretty much this FEG. Invert this FEG, I'm probably going to get cooked. No, NQ's not showing energy anymore. Mad annoying. Hmm. Sit and draw down for like 3 minutes. What was that? Let's see. Let's see. Gonna get some energy back up to the upside now or what? Or am I gonna just sit here bored out of my mind? I think NQ inverted that just now, right? Kind of. But like, in terms of just taking that inversion, it's not like a A+ type of inversion because it didn't run at run these lows technically. But I just think we're bullish, so bullish that we're not going to do that. Which is why I'm still in this trade. I'm just like, we broke this previous PD array while we were hovering. We were like literally hovering and stalling here, pulled back, then we burst through it. So I think this is a balanced price range and we shouldn't break back below it. That's why I'm still in this and why my stop's here. And I think 10 a.m. is a low of this 4-hour candle. I think we're going to close higher. So if I'm wrong, whatever. So that's literally my thesis. We'll see. The 10 a.m. low wants to get ran, whatever. Not loving that back in small drawdown, but whatever. Wants to accumulate, wants to accumulate. I said I didn't want it to like do this. I literally said that. So annoying. Because it's accumulation now, I would think that's the manipulation, right? It's below these lows into this, what I think is an order pairing zone, like back into this previous PD array that we closed above, and we left that FEG. I mean, we did wick and we stayed in the top half of this, but like now I really want us to grind up away from this area quicker than that. So we'll see if it steps it up soon. Ideally, this 5-minute candle close above the previous at least, or the previous open at least. Which is what? Look, am I blind? Where's my horizontal layout? Oh, it's here, okay. Yeah, ideally. And Q, yay, it's going up higher, so let's see if we can get some energy here on ES as well. Okay, nice close there. Close above that inversion. I mean, that previous bearish FEG as well. So let's see ES grind up higher as well. I'm probably going to stay in this trade for a while, not going to lie, if I don't get stopped out. Because if I think that today's like a continuation classic buy day, and there's more to go, CPI. Alright, this inversion ended up working on NQ, by the way. I feel like taking a nap, honestly. I'm tired. I'm bored from this action a little bit. There's not much for me to do here. I really don't feel like micromanaging this. I'll find my phone charger. I gotta charge my phone. Let's see, this is like the order block now. If CVS bounces on this order block. Yep, looks good. Hmm, nice. Can't help myself, look you in nobody else. It's fine for it to come back again and whatever it wants to do into there. Don't really care. Sugar pie, honey bunch. Oh, where's my phone charger? Is this one? Can't help myself. Hmm. Anyway, looks fine. Looks good. Here actually had like a breaker and on you have a breaker and a Fair Valley Gap on NQ. Wonder if it could dip into here. Should be probably if it does, that should be a strong reaction. I'm trying to figure out where my charger is, or like how I should charge my phone. Let me think. I went to an Italian restaurant yesterday. Okay. And um Tori and like her assistant were there too, like at dinner. And they ordered Caesar salads. I could not I acted shocked. I was like, what? And she was like, yeah, I know. What? I've never seen like you're ordering Caesar salad as an entree at an Italian restaurant. I could never, I don't know. Then I'm like, okay, I guess then I'm not gonna like order like the like Bronzino or like something fancier. So I ordered homemade fettuccine bolognese, and it was good. I every time I go to an Italian restaurant though, I need to order tiramisu. Like if the especially if the entrees were good, then like I'm definitely ordering tiramisu. I'm not loving like how slow this is. I'm not gonna lie. Can't help myself. You're so fucking slow. Whatever, there's 3 minutes left in this 15-minute candle. There's 3 minutes. I mean, I would love for it to engulf the previous one. I can't help myself. Let's see, 3 minutes left. It would be nice if it closes like strong, you know? Can't help myself. I love you and nobody else. Sugar pie, honey bunch. Is this like, I'm just thinking about it. The hourly, I was expecting a stronger close on the hourly. We'll see what's up. We'll see what's up. If right now it's 10:43. What's this 15-minute candle looking like? Thank you. Definitely scary candle there. Would have thought that should have been a strong bounce. So, not loving this again. We'll see how this order block, if we hold back above it, at least the midpoint of it. For ES. Okay, and then maybe like we're creating like another short-term low, then this would turn into an intermediate term low. Let's see if this is a short-term low. I mean, technically this is an intermediate term low because it completely filled this imbalance in. I would actually think like, yeah, it shouldn't really come back down here, create an order block. I could put my stop there now. Kind of still don't want to though, because I just feel I've been like wicked, you know? So this wick was kind of pretty good how it ended, so. Yeah, NQ is like whatever. It's kind of sloppy, but holding the all-time highs. Let's see. See if it looks better on like the 2-minute. The 3-minute. Yeah, it's like whatever. I mean, that's closing good now. This held the order block quite well, so. I mean, it would be nice to have some speed to the upside. Instead of just this blah, blah, blah. Alright, that 15-minute candle was fine. Would really like this next one to start ripping up higher. So, chop chop, bro. Patience, like people like to tell me. Like, I think I have a lot of patience, by the way. Like, I entered here. I'm still in this trade 39 minutes later. I just know when I want to see the expansion start, bro. Sugar pie, honey bunch. Oh, bro. Can't help myself. I want you and nobody else. No, actually, we did create an intermediate term low now. ES, I don't think ES should break this low anymore. So, like, I could literally move my stop up so it's just 2.5 points. Think about it. I'd honestly rather see some displacement first to the upside for me to do that. Like, let me see like another fair value gap on the bullish fair value gap form on the 1 at least. Or like for me to just take a partial or something, you know? God, this is so annoying. I mean, it's fine. But I'm bored because I thought this would be quicker. You know, now it's funny that ES is kind of holding up a little better than NQ. And I see YM is took London low and it's like now pretty looking kind of good. 5-minute inversion. Kind of making its way back up now. 5-minute bullish fair value gap. Moving up now higher, you know? That's what I'm looking at. YM. I feel like YM took London low. Inversion, like bullish FEG here. I don't have like a true market maker market shift yet, like, which is what you'd want to see here. Want to see more expansion through these highs now. So like this 5-minute high to get broken with an imbalance. So then that's like that's the market maker, the shift, the market structure shift. And YM, and then, you know, ES and YM together, up. Okay, that's NQ. Yeah, NQ is whatever. Happy I'm in ES now, actually. So NQ is kind of erratic. It's still fine though. Like literally, if I entered NQ on the same premise, like the same time, still would have been the same kind of trade. My stop would have been the 10 a.m. low, which was here, or that low. Probably put it that low. Wouldn't have gotten stopped out. It's just consolidating at all-time highs, which is fine. Previous all-time highs. Holding this breaker. Like, it all looks still fine. Like, still looks bullish. Can't help myself. I love you and nobody else. Bum, ba-dum, bum, 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 ba-dum, ba-dum. Slow grinds up, woo. All right, let's see, 5-minute. Looks fine. Slow AF, but fine. 15-minute. Like I said, I'd love for this 15-minute candle to like break new high of day and close above it. There's still 8 minutes left, which is good. It's actually a really good sign. There's time for it to do so. I don't know, this could be the tiniest speed bumps, but I definitely would never short here. On this bearish FEG, right? I don't know why I put in quotes, it is one, but it's not something I would think it's gonna hold it down for a reversal, right? Could be a speed bump, like I said, so it could have a little retracement back. Could even come back all the way back down here, I don't care. I'm gonna be really patient in this trade. Why I'm kind of was not able to break above that 5-minute. And oh, this on NQ is not making me love it. Honestly, that reaction's crazy. I didn't think it would be like that much. If that actually is the reversal. I don't think so, but now I'm back at break even. Slash up 1 point. Just dead ass funny. When did I get into the trade? If it's been an hour into the trade, which is like 11:08, then yeah, I would get out if I'm not like in a healthy amount of profit. So let's see here. I don't think that, like, I still don't think that that's like a reversal on ES. NQ. Being NQ. See if it runs that low. And then maybe it does an inversion. Let's see. Alright, NQ running that 10 AM low. See what happens. A long ass trade I'm in. IM failed to make a market structure shift on the 5-minute for the moment. See how the next 5 minutes go here. The next 5-minute candle's about to open. Where was this low of this candle? Stressful. It's coming back. I'm back at like freaking -1 point. This is ass. Coming back into the balanced price range. It's a long ass trade, bro. Again, we'll see what's up in I'm literally not gonna cut it. Unless I get stopped out, I'm not getting out of this trade. I don't care. On the 5-minute. What's that look like on the 5? See how this 5-minute closes. It's 15 minutes being an ass. So is this the first 15-minute candle of the day? Or, by the way? No, it's this one. Okay. It's fine by me. You're just like not finding that impulse higher yet. ES accumulating like the. I know, I really don't love being in a trade when it's accumulating. I really don't love it. Now you have your SMTs, people. So let's see if there's reversals up. I'll tape read it for you, but I'm still in my trade. Tape read it for you guys. SMT. Well, actually, it didn't run. Wait. Did it? Yeah, it did run though. So yeah, that's your SMT there. Okay, well, NQ is finding that. Push. Back up. Profit. Tiny profit. God help me. It's so fucking boring. Now ES is a weaker than YM's weaker. Not loving that. It never broke that intermediate term low, by the way. If it breaks this, then then I'm probably cooked. See if NQ can find some more bullishness here. Back at small drawdown again. Yeah, I know. I'm not loving this trade anymore. It's like I was up immediately, then like break even / drawdown, then small profit. Not enough for me to take profits. Like it was like up 1R. It's still not enough. If I'm thinking at least up to that like 0.5, didn't even get to 0.5 extension. Didn't even get to my first target of 3R. So still in this. If it wants to keep accumulating, whatever, bro. I'm staying in the trade unless I get stopped out, my original stop. Even if I'm in this trade for like 4 hours, I'm going to be in this trade for 4 hours. If this stream goes on for 4 hours, I'm going to do that. Honestly, though, like I always, even if I'm in a trade and I'm like trailing, I still keep the stream on because I don't know. I feel some sort of obligation. Oh, by the way, we did find that. There. NQ is working out pretty well. NQ, new high day? Well, like, this is where some people are putting their stops for sure. If somebody tried to short, like, here, they're putting their stop here, here. I think at least it gets to here on this leg up. What is this, a 2 minute? Do, 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 do. I'm not fucking selling. I'm not fucking selling. Back at break even. Put an alert on ES if it. This is now your intermediate term high. You expect this to get broken. You expect this to get broken. If you're bullish. Completely fill this imbalance. I don't want this to get broken. Really would not love that. This one here, this low. ES not really having the same kind of impulse move up higher as NQ, but also like it didn't have the impulse move lower, so as much of it. So staying in this shit. Don't care. What time is it? 11:05. Well, actually, I did say we'll see where I am at after an hour, so I'll think about it. I'll think about it, you guys. We'll see where we're at like 11:08, 11:30, 11:10, whatever. I'll think about it right now. What should be the cutoff time for that? To evaluate where we are. 11:10, 11:30. Let's say 11. What time is it? 11:05? 11:30. YM's looking a little weaker. I'm surprised YM's not, following suit, but whatever. Okay, cool. NQ, I tape read that pretty well for you guys, so I hope if you banked on NQ where I said, hey, like maybe we'll run, like as it was doing this, I was like, oh, it might run this and then provide some sort of inversion or move up. And then there you got your bullish FEG here, you could have bought there, or after I inverted this. So now it is breaking this and that. So cool. However, let's see if we have more follow through from ES and NQ. Would love it to continue impulsive, move up higher, and not like just, consolidate near the highs. We'll see. We have 8 minutes left in this 15-minute candle. So, it's promising. Been in this trade now for an hour. It's about to be an hour and like 15 seconds, right? If I entered. No, actually, I entered at like 10:06. Yeah, 10:06. 10:06. Okay, well, see. Not really loving the after it took buy side, the seek and destroy vibes, but we'll see. Want more impulsive move up higher. We'll continue watching this ES and NQ. Let's see if it respects this now or this little volume imbalance and order block, previous order block. We like just move back down into here again. I'll be like, blech. But let's see, ES. What are you gonna do? What you gonna do? Bored out of my mind. Honestly, I'm bored out of my mind. Which is good. Trading's boring, but I'm just saying. I thought CPI would be better. Like the first 15 minutes. How much did we move since 9:30? Like not that much. $18 points on ES. It's not that much, and then on NQ since 9:30, how much did we move? 150 points. It's like okay. The CPI, you'd think 200 plus. All right. Decent reaction. Decent reaction here as well. Like, I don't know. I feel like I'm out of my mind. Like, I feel like bored. Being like so patient. I mean, yeah, if at 11:30 we're near highs of day, I'm gonna continue holding for my targets, right? My targets are all-time highs, but where was it? It was like here. The first target was really like this, which is a 3.7 R. This is where 2 R is. Like I have that marked out. Like maybe I'll take one partial there or something. So that's also where negative 0.5 standard deviation is, but it really depends on the structure, I guess. See what ends up happening. Like the order block's been holding on the 5 here. You see the order block and the fair value gap? It's been holding. That's where I might put my stop in the bottom of the order block, basically, in the bottom of 10 a.m. candle. So how did the 10 a.m. the hourly candle close? Really boring. Thought it would be more exciting, but whatever. We have a 4-hour forming. 15 looks fine. See what's up at 11:30. NQ's hitting about a new high of day, so lit. I did call that out, so that's cool. Like if you did wait for a manipulation, a run on a low, that's your prize there. Right there. Even here, like if you bought this, maybe here, you put your stop break even, you would have been fine, but it really depends on how you manage that for NQ. It is not the easiest asset. I kind of went with ES because catch up and also ES just tends to respect those lows better. So that's why I was like okay of kind of getting in there where I knew, okay, we created this balanced price range below this after we broke a major like level on the hourly. So I thought that's why I felt like okay having to stop here. I mean, I could still get stopped out, we don't know, but hey, I'm still in the trade, so back up to profit, about 3 points profit. I'm not fucking selling. I said we're going to be chaotic today on this channel. I wonder how many people. I don't even want to know how many people are watching right now. Actually, let's see. Freaking okay, 2,500 still here. What's up? Yeah, I see my mod. My mod is a lot of work to do today. Yes, I'm staying focused. By the way, Castillo, you're free to go if you want to go because it's all past 11:10. Oh, fucking bro, you're so boring. Yes, you're so boring. 11:30, we'll see where we're at. Maybe that's all I need. Bum, 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 ba-dum, bum. It's fine. Bum, 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 bum. By the way, yeah, we never broke the intermediate term low. Literally came really close to it, but I'm happy. I'm still happy I left my stop there. Just that would have been really nerve-wracking. But it still would have worked out. Okay, NQ new high. See if NQ ends up coming up to here today. Be kind of impressive. Let me see. Let me try to make this to scale so I can be like. I think this is totally possible for ES. That's where my target is. I've been so patient. Come on, bruh. At 11:30, I want you at least at new high day. Oh yeah, so this is an intermediate term high. So we expect it to get broken, like I said. It'd be nice if it breaks off a displacement. Girl can dream. Let's see. Dun, 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 dun. One sec. Okay, let me turn. Oh wait, the lighting is like okay. I can turn down the lighting a little bit, but whatever. Bum, bum, bum. So slow, ES. It's 15-minute candle versus this 15-minute candle. No, I'm not thinking that's an SMT for a reversal or anything. It doesn't make sense. I'm bullish. We already had an SMT at the low. Can retrace again into here. I really don't care. See here. Congrats on the longs if you ended up taking this long on NQ. Got paid. You got paid. And here I called that one too, so. I'm just gonna stay in this ES trade. So my stop's like 4 points. 4.2, yeah. So 8 points would be 2R. I just believe in more, like, it's just bullish, you know? I don't think that we're... There's a freaking fruit fly here. What the fuck? I'll turn down the brightness. It's a little better. God, I'm bored out of my mind. So, let me think about that. Italian restaurants, what was I talking about? Backtesting. Since, like, we're just chilling, should I just talk to... You should buy wireless charger for your Apple gadgets, says my assistant. I have, like, a portable charger. But I should have a charger at my desk. But honestly, I don't need my phone. I just wanted it to see if my assistant texted me any chat questions. Okay, it seems like it's near 11:30 now. So we'll see in 10 minutes if we're near all-time highs. I mean, near new high day for ES. La 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 la. There's another tiny FEG here. What's this low? What is this low? And then this high. It's exactly the same. So it completely filled that imbalance. So that's why it's an intermediate term low. And now even it has a short-term low on the left of it and to the right of it. I thought this would be even this, so that's fine with that. But yeah. Would like to see this broken soon. Especially after if this gets broken for displacement, the stop is definitely here. Moved up. Slash, would I take a partial? Probably not. Just move the stop up a bit. So then I'd be risking only like 2 points, 2.25 points or something. God, oh my god, this is quite the trade today. Quite the trade. Quite the day. I have any more water left? I do. I'm very happy about that. I'll tell you this though, if we hit 2R, then when I hit 2R, the stop is going to be break even. I don't think I'm going to take partials though. Maybe one contract off the table. Because I just think it's going to go more than that. And I'd be more pissed on like, and then you're shortening your upside. You're cutting your upside on like a classic buy day. That's why I'm not really willing to do that. Okay, here the intermediate term high is broken. Let's see if that's a nice displacement to the upside. So I want this next candle, to have a nice move as well. So then there's a fair value gap there created. If it's not, then whatever, bro. Like I'm still gonna stay in the trade. It's just like I won't move my stop up. Bum 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 bum. All right, that's a nice That's a nice next candle. We're gonna hit new hive day now. That's nice. By 11:30, that's nice. Cool, new high day there. It's a nice pop up. So, moving my stop up. We're coming up to it. I definitely need to like increase the font size on this shit because I'm like blind. Okay. I'm gonna clean my glasses. Hard hold, really tough hold today. Really tough hold. But I did it. I'm very happy. Very pleased with my performance. Now we're really running. My TP be 98.5 for most of it. I'd probably hold one runner. Well, 3.7R, I should just take it off. Okay, YM's finally coming back up to that 5-minute high. Maybe it'll break it now soon. Let me put in. Do I have my element in? Oh my god, so far high up that it wasn't even on the freaking screen. LMAO. Let me measure this. I went to 2R. I'm putting my stop break even now. Shouldn't come back to break even now anyway. One of the hardest holds for sure. Wonder how many people were clowning me when it came back down again in here. That's why I don't really give a shit. Today, if this hits, you guys, we're doing the money gun. We got the money gun locked and fucking loaded. We'll see how it reacts here at this, like, 0.5, 0.5. What was I doing here again? Oh yeah, the stat map. Let me see where that is, by the way. The 4 hour. Is there any of it here? Not even here. Oh, it's all the way up there. Yeah. Cool. This 4 hour looking insanely bullish. I held it when it came all the way back to the open. Right? Crazy. Crazy day. I'm holding. Not fucking selling! I'm not fucking selling! I gotta stretch. Pow. This is a better angle because now when I'm like lean back in the chair, I don't look like fucking like people made memes of me and whatever. What's his name? Stephen Hawking. That's fucked up. Yeah, I know that people have said that, have done that. Like, relax, bro. I just want to lean back in the chair. Because guess what? If you're why do I do that? That literally calms down your nervous system. If you're leaning back and further away from the screen, there's nothing else for me to manage anyway. So if you're closer up, you're going to be more stressed out. You're going to be more alert, right? But if I don't need to be more alert right now, why would I? If your eyes are closer to something, you're more stressed, more alert versus away. Think of looking out in a field and you look at the trees in the background, in the back, right? Or you look at even just across the room. That's what you could do to kind of regulate yourself. So if you want to do like focused work, focus on one thing, it's better for you to be in a small office and your computer is like facing on the wall, you're facing a wall. You want to do creative work, it's better for you to be in an open space like a library or something. Who knows? There's probably a billion people even saying you're going to get stopped at break even now. No matter what happens, I'm neutral. I don't care. Like, the trade is managed. Risk is managed. It's a free trade now. It's expected for it to have a small pullback, slight pullback, especially hitting that extension level, 0.5, 0.5. What extension level is that? From the hourly, from this move lower, this is what I measured from here to here. And then I projected that out. And I really like that the -2 projection actually lines up with all-time highs. And also you have the stat map saying this 4 hour could potentially even distribute all the way up here. That's not even, my 3.7 R is here. This would be like 7 R. I said that earlier. I was like, what if I do this? you know, that's a question of ATR, I guess, right? Let me look at the daily. Like perhaps, yeah, you could swing and I could probably swing and hold. The question is like, do I think that's going to happen today? All-time highs today on ES. Let's measure out how much we moved so far. Where is it? Where's today's low? 45.50. At all-time highs, it would have to remove 66 points. Then I can go to indicators, ATR. Last 5 days, the average true range has been, oh my god, like 40. What the? Wow. 42. So we already moved how much today? So that's looking for like a 1.5 times the daily range. Which is good on CPI, it's fine, but like how much have we already moved, by the way? From here to here. $40, $47. And I'm looking for just, I'd rather take everything off there. 52. Your YM is crossing up that 5-minute high, so that's cool. And we're just, having another displacement to the upside. It's nice to be holding through this. That's why I said you just lean back. You just need to chill now. Now I just need to chill because now it's just a waiting game. Castillo, did you leave? If you leave, just text me. It's fine. You could leave. Yeah, I'm up a lot of money. Shit, I looked at my P&L. It's not good. It's not good to look at the P&L before the trade's over. What was I talking about? Yeah, so it really is just practicing the same things, like being patient or calming down while it's retracing, like even if it is just keeping your hand off the mouse. You don't want to micromanage it. Like I said, I'm not micromanaging it. I'm not going to do anything. It's going to have to stop me out. And I'm not, so then I'm keeping myself away from doing anything. Because guess what? If you end up becoming emotional and worried and scared and like, like you're so too close to the screen, you're looking at every little like fluctuation, you're more likely to prematurely stop yourself out because you're scared. And then guess what? It runs out. If I did that and I see this later, you know how pissed I'd be? Really pissed. So it's a matter of weighing out the different outcomes, right? I'd rather get stopped out, my original stop here, over there while I was retracing, than prematurely stop myself out and then it rip up after. So here we are ripping. Right now I'm like really trying to calm myself down because it's like, this is very exciting. It's very euphoric. What the fuck? This is crazy. This push-up higher is kind of cool to see, finally. I said 11:30 it had to be at least at new high of day, and yeah, we finally got some steam starting at 11:20, so that was cool. So I'm happy even with what I said, my cutoff time for checking where price is. So that was perfect. Are we ready for the money gun soon? We'll have to see. We'll gotta see. Money gun, money gun. Shit, bro, I'm happy. Money gun, money gun. See, we got, you see now, you see I'm actually like looking a little closer, and it is like making it a little bit more like anticipatory. So then it might, like any pullback might make me a little bit more stressed out. Like this could take another 10 minutes to play out for sure. Or even like, who knows? Who knows how long it's going to take to play out? Let me see here. Yeah, I don't think that there's any speed bumps here that I should be worried about. Hold. Hodl. Not fucking selling. The move on NQ, that was kind of funny. Let's see this, like small grind in this one. It still looks fine. I told you guys even yesterday, CPI is my favorite day to trade, really. Although today was a harder one than usual. Just like, I'm kind of like calming myself down, like, that's what we gotta do. Yeah, this is whoever wants to follow me, this is what you're doing, the physiological sigh. You have to, one deep breath through your nose, and then a second inhale, really quick second inhale through your nose, and then slow exhale through thinly pursed lips. That's gonna immediately bring your blood pressure down. Okay? That's another real-time strategy. I'm gonna make like a video for that. Like that, you can literally feel your heartbeat slowing down. She's crazy. She didn't take any partials. Yeah, because it's literally, I said my whole thing. I said my whole game plan. My whole game plan was I'm not taking the partials because that is actually that's my first price target. Really, my final price target is all-time highs. So, plus we made really nice displacements at new high of day. Like, why would I limit my upside there? Because I'm not scared. That's literally because someone is fearful of it coming back to their break even. So let's see. Who's ready for the fucking money gun? I am. I'm ready for it. I should I'm not gonna touch it until it hits TP because that's like bad juju. That's bad juju. This is crazy. Epic, pretty epic. Pretty epic there. See it. Bum, 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 bum. We have 2 points left. Bum, 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 bum. 2.5 points. We're gonna get it, chat? Are we gonna get it? We'll see. I mean, YM's pushing up really nicely. So I'm hoping, yeah, ES is pushing up nicely too. And Q's kind of just, still at new highs and stuff. So I wonder which sector is pushing up. I'll check FinViz later. I don't really care that much, honestly. So just a pondering. Maybe financials, maybe energy, maybe healthcare, maybe industrials. Bum, 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 bum. So I don't need this anymore. Do you see how nicely we displaced over that intermediate term high? That was really nice. And then a new high died. So after that, that was actually pretty nice because then no more. Then I didn't have to think hard anymore. Make another decision after all of this bullshit. It's crazy. How long have I been in this trade now? Since 10:06. Oof, an hour and 40 minutes. Might be one of my longest trades here on my stream. Really up 2K per account. Up like 500 per contract then. 520. Bum, bum, ba-da-dum, ba-da-dum. I love Sir Duke by Stevie Wonder. That's like one of the best songs. I have to learn. After this, I'm going to go play piano and I'm going to go play some golf. First, the piano. Because I think the piano can calm me down more. To play golf, you can't come in like all high energy and flustered or something, like high, all like poof, Because I feel like I could run like 3 miles now. And here we're having a little bit of a pullback. So who knows how long I'm going to be in this trade for, honestly. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, ba-da-dum, ba-da-dum. Bum, bum, ba-dum, ba-da-dum, dum, da-da-dum. How long am I going to be in this trade for? I don't know. See on the hourly. Good. The hourly looks fine. Four-hour looks good. I see that tiny little volume imbalance there. 5-minute looks great. Cool. How much am I up, like, R-wise? RR? I'm up 2.8 R. I know. It's a tough cookie, but to crumble, so. But is there any reason for me to think, like, oh, now we're going to have a reversal? No. There's no type of... This is the 1 minute. This is the pullback here. Even here, there's no bearish FEG. Still very strong. Grind up higher. We could come back into a 5-minute fair value gap, whatever. And then the people that ask me, like, why don't you please put your stop up in profit? Please put your stop up in profit. No, like, you can do it whatever you want to do. I'll do whatever I want to do. Seriously, like it's just amazing, the backseat drivers. Why would I? Because again, that's limiting my upside then. It could retrace pretty deep. Who knows? Like, it could retrace to, and then if you're cutting it up too much, you just limited your upside. That's happened to me, and I get so pissed off. Rather than just, it's better for me to then take a partial if I really feel that way and leave the stop at break even. Or like slightly above break even, right? That's just personal. Everyone's personal preference, but it's more likely I've been trading longer than you. Like, to the people that are always giving me this crazy advice. Backseat driving, whatever. I'm not even, I don't know. If you actually want to get out of the trade quicker and you have somewhere to be, then that's like a different story, you know? Then okay, put your stop up higher. I've done that when I've had like meetings or to get to. But even so, like every time I've done that, I'm telling you, stopped out for like, 1R then. And then the trade ends up going to my 3R or whatever it is, my final target later on in the session. I'd rather hold through the retracement. If you don't have the wherewithal to hold through the retracement, then do that. But whatever. Don't project it onto me. We'll see here what ends up happening here in the 1 minute. I don't really want to see any big displacements, which I'm not seeing anyway. The only thing like the possible speed bump is that 4-hour volume imbalance. So I'll mark that out and see where that is on the chart there. Dun, dun. Yeah, there's not really any kind of insane reaction there, so. Even then, that's a 4-hour. I'd want like a 5-minute shift if I were shifting bearish. My stop's fine. I'm not fucking selling. It would actually be kind of epic if... it would actually be kind of fucked up if I end up getting stopped break even. That's true. Okay, let's see here. This candle is doing fine. Honestly, I kind of want to just read a book. So I'm not worrying about each candle. This candle's fine too. This is what I would mark out. Don't really want like a strong displacement through there. And even then, let's see here. This is still 2R. This is literally 2R. So I would wait. I don't want to make too many decisions. Bum, bum, bum. Stop 2 points from the TP. That's actually fine. I would be more annoyed if it was 1 point, because then I'd be like, oh, I should have put 1 point lower, like 1 tick. It makes sense to pause, by the way. Okay. Again, yeah, this retracement's fine. Let's see the 5. I mean, the 5, you have so many bullish FEGs here. Even if it kind of broke below here, I wouldn't really mind too much. It's just a matter of fact, it would probably just hang around here then for the rest of the day. Versus get up here. But I wouldn't try for a reversal, that's what I'm saying. Alright. Let's see, people. I will say, like, if we end up just grinding up again, back up to that 4-hour volume imbalance, then maybe I'll take a partial. Like, if it's just grinding up and it's not breaking a high, it's not breaking a high with a displacement. We'll see. We'll see. I think I put it one tick below, right? Or what is this? Okay, no, that's the 4-hour. This is the 1 hour I'm looking at. Yep. This is the 1 on NQ. Okay. The 5 on ES. Still in. Not fucking selling. Yo, I gotta like make food. What am I gonna eat for lunch? Actually, I have plenty of food. And no, I don't cook. I literally buy like pre-prepped meals from chefs. Like Cook Unity, whatever. And I just put it in the oven. I don't cook, I don't clean. I make money on the screen. 20. I need to think of this. I'm kind of thinking of my captain backtest strategy for a second. Even that would have worked out, I think. Let me see here. This 86. Yeah, that would have even that buying that high would have worked out. And then what's 86 plus 20? Yeah. That would even look for higher prices. Okay. How much should we move from here? It's 50 what? 50... 24 points? What? Oh, really? Oh, wait, yeah, we have to include CPI, obviously. That's 46. Yeah, I expect more. That's the average CPI. That's why I'm still holding. This is like only asking for 40, 48. I would expect it. I mean, we could come up to here later in the day. But I just don't want to hold that much. I'm happy with 3.7R. And then I'd be happy because then I can leave my desk and go do other things. Okay, let's see, you guys. How much longer? Let's see. Let's read the chat a bit. If you guys are rude, then I'm gonna stop reading the chat, but be nice. Tanya, didn't watch Interstellar yesterday. You know what? I was so tired. I didn't sleep at all yesterday. The night before. Okay, so that's also part of the reason of me not taking a trade yesterday, but plus, day before CPI and everything was out of sync. Plus, you add in, like, yeah, sure, could have maybe found short. I saw so many people were bragging. It's so funny. So funny. Every time I make, like, a post being like, yeah, I just didn't see anything I liked that was worth it. And then, like, people that did take a trade and only a win, they'll flood the comments being like, here's my trade screenshot. like, it was easy. What are you talking about? You missed this. This was clear. Like, okay. Good job, bro. I don't care. But I know for myself, I would have fucked it up. Even if I got into a decent trade, I probably would have messed up the management. So no, I ended up canceling my Interstellar ticket because I was like, holy shit, I haven't slept at all. And then I can't pay attention for a 3-hour movie, and then I'm gonna have dinner after that. So I canceled it. I still have time to see it because it's in theaters until for this week, right? But I'm so busy, I don't even know if I'm gonna find a time to do it. So the answer is no. I didn't see Interstellar. I feel like it seems like a stressful movie too. Like, do they go to outer space? Macro's playing. ICT shorting via X. All right, thanks. Tanya trades. Do you feel your ego attacked fast? No. It's just been a lot, little jabs here and there that it's accumulated recently. And I'm like, fuck off. Basically. Welcome. Welcome, Mr. Washington Heights, to the Bagel Club. Take one lot profit. You could take your one lot profit, admirals. El Espirito says, I guess the comments get to your head. No, they don't. I just decided to come in sassy today. What's up, Derek Campbell? Yeah, I'm still in this trade. I'm up 11 points. Literally, you guys, I'm not fucking playing today. Who wants the ban hammer? I'll fucking ban hammer. Not fucking playing today. Would I hold unQ? Yeah, I would. If I was an unQ, it's even better. Looking even more. Alright, money guns coming. Alright, let's see how this is. We'll see how it reacts now. We're looking pretty good. More displacements. And I said this pullback's really slow and looks great. We're getting some energy here when I'm looking at this volume imbalance. It would be nice for us to close up here. And then I'd expect a quick TP taken. Not used to this, Tanya. Where'd she come from? Listen, 90% of the time, I'm so chill. I'm so zen, whatever. I'm very nice. I'm Mrs. Nice Tanya. Mrs. Nice Girl. And then 10% of the time, I'm like, all right, who wants to fucking play? Let's go. Like, the New Yorker comes out. Here we go. Here we go, guys. We're gonna get the money gun today? Money gun time. We're getting really nice displacements there, actually. So I think it's gonna hit really soon. Money, money, money. Who wants the money? Who's ready? I'm ready. Fucking ready. Let's go. Let's go. How many more points, you guys? We just need one more point. Yes. One more point. We've like blasted through the 4-hour. Little volume imbalance there. So let's see it. Let's see us. Money, money, money gun. Yes, so impressive trade. Thanks for the people who are giving me some credit. I mean, CPI is my favorite day to trade, and it's always out of the last like 8 CPIs, I had one losing day out of the last 8. It's my favorite day to trade. We're ready for you. How long has the trade been? Literally almost like 2 hours. Let's see here. 1 hour and 56 minutes. Tanya, how did you choose your final TP target? Just took an hourly high. You were here to witness it. Hit the like button, you guys. If you were here to witness it from this, bro, like since the beginning. And I've had this trade on when I was in drawdown, break even. I have it on the screen. People clowning me. I'm fine with that. But I don't hide my positions, and I don't hide. Some people just only show it once they're in profit. And there's stops at break even and shit. Like, no, because I'm not afraid to make mistakes in front of people. Like, what's the point of streaming then? Here we go, people. Here we go. Tanya, just a random question. If you wasn't a trader, what would you be doing? I can't fucking tell you because it was plan A or nothing. Can't tell you. Probably be in sales because I can't do a 9 to 5. I'd get fired for sure. Here we go. 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 One more tick. TP heads. TP heads. 3.7 R. 3.7 R. Money gone. Money, 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 money. Holy shit. Oh my god, bro. Big day for me. Ooh, 2,800 per account. Let's fucking go. Holy shit. One of the best trades. Let's fucking go. Where the fucking haters at? I can't see you. Can't see you. Can't see you. Can't see you. Someone said I faded ICT like a boss. No, he tried to fade me. I've been in this trade for 2 hours, buddy. I didn't even know he was short. I didn't even know he was short. You guys reported it. Why would I care? And he's faded me anyway in the past. So let's fucking go. All right. Oh, Castillo's still here. What up? He said, what a relief. He's like, he must have been like, stressed out. You guys didn't behave today, because for sure, if I'm a little sassy, chat's gonna be sassy too, so I don't even care. Damn. Ooh, look at that exit, by the way. Look how it wicked through it. Freaking random. Random, bro. Money, money, money. Money, money, money. See this dollar bills, y'all. Queens get the money. Please do not swear. It doesn't suit you. All right, bro. I'll do whatever I want to do. I was gonna swear again. I'll do whatever I feel like doing. Great patience and commitment. Thank you. Okay. I'll post a screenshot on Twitter, all my accounts. Today I copy traded, I think, like 8 of them, something like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them. Phew. High stakes day for sure. It was an annoying day. I was complaining the whole time. When we pulled back here, I entered literally here, this candle, because it was like a 30-second pullback, and I was like, I was up like, how many points? 5 points right away. And then pulled back to break even, was small stop. These wicks were crazy. This was very uncomfortable. Held again. Held this whole time, you guys. That's called sticking to the plan. Stick to the freaking plan. Anyway, I will say what I want, motherfuckers. No, anyway. I mean, we even talked about, well, as it was reaching up here, and I was like, all right, you have to just chill out. You have to just sit back in the chair. I feel like I give a lot of good gems, like what I'm doing, like the actual reality of trading. Like I'm leaning back here to just let the trade play out, taking deep breaths, noticing here there is no FEGs to that downside, no kind of marked out this, bam, perfectly respected that. Bam. Bam, bam. What more do you want me to do? What more do you want from me? Anyway. That's a fucking relief. Diamond hands. I said, I'm not fucking selling. I'm not fucking selling. And we got it. No, yeah, I mean, that's it just comes with experience. Just sometimes I'm not diamond hands. Some days I am. CPI day, I'm going to be a diamond hand. So we're going to go get that lunch. I'm going to, let me know, like, hit the comment button, hit the like button if you like the stream, and let me know if you want me to do a trade review, a separate trade review about this trade. And yeah, I'm gonna go get that lunch, piano, and golf for the rest of the day. Lit. Thanks for coming. We'll see you back here on the channel 9:20 a.m. tomorrow. Love you. Love you guys. Bye.